A pleasure to meet y'all at last, and welcome back to HJN Season 3, and now, let's take a bit of a trip back to the world of the Acceleracers, with Porkchop's own Jackhammer. Essentially, the quintessential piece to what I do feel could be basically just a late 1950s Edsel wagon, modified quite a ways, just so it can appear to be more like a fantasy model. As a matter of fact, I do feel that this model appears to be very much like a 1958 Edsel wagon, but in all seriousness, it probably isn't always the case. This, just like about every single other Acceleracers model, was originally released in 2005, with the copyright date saying 2004, but this exact version that I got a hold of is a 2015 re-release, in which it was part of a 5-pack. But I was able to get it on its own, thanks to the miracles and powers of eBay itself. And I feel like that with a lot of other people out there, they probably would have had to go through some similar hoops just so they can... Wow. As I was saying, some people probably would have had to go through some similar hoops just so they can get a hold of models like this. And for the most part, though, I will say this exact version looks pretty impressive. I mean, you got the number 66 on the backside, in addition to having smaller wheels in the front, all black, and some reddish wheels that are larger in size in the rear. And you have yourself sort of a slanted, downward-facing body for the most part, and with other things including exposed engines, as well as... I'm not really sure what this piece is supposed to be. In addition, though, according to the Meet the Car segment in Acceleracers in its DVD release, this vehicle has itself 500 horsepower with a 502 cubic inch engine, so it makes it more than tough. And that more than sums it up, pretty much. I do declare this one to be a favorite of mine, personal favorite, so to speak. So if you want to see more, go down on my channel to make sure that you like, subscribe, comment, follow me on social media, and stay on the Hollywood side.